Republic Day in India is celebrated on 26th January every year. This year, the country will be celebrating its 72nd Republic Day. It's the day Constitution of India was adopted in 1950 after attaining the independence on 15th August 1947. Republic Day is the main celebration held at the Rajpath in the national capital New Delhi before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parades take place at the Rajpath which are perfumed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. This day reminds us of our freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to get us the Purna Swaraj. It's because of their struggle that today we are living in a democratic country where each citizen has right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, culture and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. So we all know these all are the fundamental rights of our constitution which was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was not in the Congress party but is cleared for his legislative work, his undying faith in the dignity of human beings convinced the far-sighted and objective leadership of Indian National Congress Party to request him to become the chairman of the drafting committee. After India gaining its independence from the Britishers, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first law minister of our India. It was in the year 1931 that the history-changing period came for our tricolor flag. Venkaiah came forward and redesigned the flag, and at that time the color red was replaced with saffron and placed at the top. The white and green stripes were retained as the center and the bottom panel respectively. The symbol of Gandhiji's charkha was placed at the center of the flag. Finally, in 1947, the current tricolor flag came. In this flag, the colors remained the same, the sequence of the color also remained the same. Only the symbol of the spinning wheel or chakra was replaced by Ashoka's Dharma Chakra as the emblem on the white stripes of the flag. It was on July 22, 1947 that the Constituent Assembly adopted it as independent India's national flag. In India, Republic Day is not less than a festival. The whole country, regardless of caste, creed, religion, beams with joy and happiness. The entire country is laced in tricolors to convey that India is a nation where unity in diversity is celebrated. Jai Hind, Jai India.